Hello friends and welcome to today's video. In this video we are going to create an app that ons and offs the bulb. Okay, so if you click on the on button, it will on the bulb, and if you click on the off button, it will off the bulb. Okay, so let's start it. So before starting, let's go to Google and download the bulb on and off. Okay, bulb on off images. Let's search this. Go to images and we have to choose one bulb on and one bulb off image. Okay, so let's first search for that. I'll take this. Okay, just right click on the image. Let's give save image as, and you can just give bulb on. Okay, so this one is save image bulb off. Okay, so now you can see here that both of them have been downloaded. Okay, so after downloading, let's upload it to the media file. Go to upload media, choose file, and take bulb on and bulb off. Okay, and just upload it here. Again, choose another file, open. Okay, each time you have to give okay. Now bulb off. So now we have uploaded both of the on bulb and off bulb here. Okay. Now let's create. Okay. In such a way that let's take a vertical arrangement. Why we are using this vertical arrangement is because we want the things to be in the vertical way. Okay. So that's the reason why we are using the vertical arrangement. And let's take the height to be the, let's give it to be fill parent, and this also as the fill parent. Okay, so now it's completely filled, and let's choose a background color. Okay, so up to that much is over. Now let's input the two images. For that, let's take the image. Okay, just drag it and drop it, both of them. Now we have image 1 and image 2. Okay, so now let's rename the component. For that, what you have to do is click on this image 1, rename it to bulb underscore off. Okay, now here what we are going to do is rename it using bulb underscore on. Okay, so now in the bulb off, let's upload the image called the off bulb. Okay, now in the on also, what we have to do? We have to give picture and give on. Okay, so now you know that both of the images are here. Okay, let's set the height and the width for both the images. It can be 100 pixel. Okay, and let's see whether it's okay. Now let's set the width also to be 100. Give OK. Now the same for the bulb on as well. Okay. It is 100 pixels. Okay. So now we have the two images here. And now let's take the two buttons. Okay. The off button and the on button. So go to button. Take the button. Take two buttons. And let's first rename it to the off. No, you have to give off button. Okay, so let's give it as off button, and the next one will be the on button. I hope renaming is okay for you. Okay, so now let's change the text. It can be like off and this is on. If you want to design the button, you can do that. If you are not familiar with this MIT App Inventor, what you have to do is please do watch the part 1 and 2 and then try with part 3. Okay, in that I am clearly explaining how you can design each of them. Okay, each of the component. Okay, so please do that and come back to this video to watch the continuation. Okay. Now go to the vertical arrangement and let's make it the center. Okay. So now you can see these all are here before itself, right? Because once when you on, but when you start this application, you just want to see the off image alone. Okay. For that, go to the on image and just make it visible to take the visibility off. Okay. So now you won't be able to see. Okay. Now let's go to the coding. And let's set if you click on the button what should happen, and if you click on the button what should happen. Okay, so now let's go to the button and take when off button is clicked. Okay, let's go to the image and take set bulb of visible to, because we are setting the visibility. Okay, set bulb of visible to, you have to give either it's true or false. If it is true means you will be able to see, and if it is false means you won't be able to see. Go to logic, take true. Okay, your off bulb should be seen. But in the case of on bulb, should it be seen? No, right? So let's go to set bulb on. Okay, go to logic and take false. Okay, so now your bulb on will not be seen and your bulb off will be seen. Similarly, let's do it for the on button. Let's go click on the on button. So here, when you click on the on button, what should happen? Your bulb on should be visible to true and bulb off should be visible to false, right? So what you have to do is just go to on bulb, just scroll down. Take set bulb on visible to. Let's go to logic and give true. Okay. So now the bulb off should be false, right? Go to bulb off. Take set bulb off visible to what? Logic, and take it to be false. Okay. So now this is said, and I hope this is clear to you, like taking it to be true and false. True means you will be able to see that image, and false means you won't be able to see that image. Okay, so that's all for today's video. So after doing this, please go to connect and connect it with the AI companion and just check if it works properly. Okay, and please let me know the feedbacks after doing this application in my comment box. Okay, so see you in the next video with some other applications. Okay, students, bye, and see you in the next video.